Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the drain hose clip on your GE washer, you will need pliers. Remove the drain line from the wall. Slide the hose through the clip. Pull out from the bottom of the clip to release it from the machine. Keep lifting it until it reaches a 90-degree angle, then you can remove it completely from the washer. To install the new drain hose clip, insert the end of the clip into the washer, then drop the end down at a 90-degree angle and snap the clip into place. Slide the hose in through the clip to the desired position. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain.